Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your dog crate. We bought this dog crate off of Amazon for about $50. It has been great. We don't use it anymore, but while we did use it with our dog, she did great in it, and we had absolutely no issues with this dog crate at all. So to set up our dog crate, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to lift up the one side. Next, you're going to then fold up the second side there. You're going to take the one back end and pull it up. So the next part, and probably the trickiest part, this little hook right here, you're going to have to push the top under that so it latches in. So you see that is going nowhere now. Next, we'll do the same thing with the other end. We'll pull this up, and then I'm gonna lift up the top of the crate and get it under that hook, and do the same over there. And we are all locked in. So to break the dog crate down, we're just gonna go back in the reverse order of how we did things. So I'm going to unhook this back part. So I'm gonna push down and lift up and collapse this side down. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm just gonna push down a little bit on this top gate. That'll let me unhook these hooks here, and I'll just push this down. And then I'll just slide it down. And then we'll just lift this back over. And you just broke down your dog crate, so you are good to put this away. If you have any questions about how to set up or break down your dog crate, let me know in the comments below.